Question 1. Sudarsana Lake was reconstructed by A. Napana, B. Chashtana, C. Rudradaman, D. Parnadatta. Answer C. Rudradaman. Question 2. The first ruler of the Satavahanas was A. Simukha, B. Govinda, C. Sri Satakarni, D. Napana. Answer A. Simukha. Question 3. Nagani was a queen. A. Gupta, B. Andhra, C. Saka, D. Pallava. Answer B. Andhra. Question 4. Which of the following works of Kalidasa gives information about the Andhras? A. Sakuntala, B. Malavikagnamitra, C. Meghaduta, D. Kumarasambhava. Answer B. Malavikagnamitra. Question 5. Satavahana rule was extended to the Coromandel coast by A. Sri Yajna Satakarni, B. Pulumaitu, C. Sri Satakarni, D. Simukha. Answer B. Pulumaitu. Question 6. Chashtana was the satraps of A. Gujarat, B. Malwa, C. Kathiawar, D. Kashmir. Answer B. Malwa. Question 7. In whose court did Aswaghosa live? A. Harsha, B. Samudragupta, C. Kanishka, D. Ashoka. Answer C. Kanishka. Question 8. The Sunga period saw the growth of one of the following religions. Identify. A. Brahmanism, B. Saivism, C. Buddhism, D. Nature worship. Answer A. Brahmanism. Question 9. Whose general was Apollodotus? A. Euthydemus, B. Demetrius, C. Diodotus, D. Antichos. Answer B. Demetrius. Question 10. Who erected the Garuda pillar at Besnagar? A. Bhagabhadra, B. Heliodorus, C. Menander, D. Anshalkidas. Answer A. Bhagabhadra. Question 11. During the pre-Gupta age the foreign trade was most extensive with A. Southeast Asian countries, B. China, C. Central Asia, D. Roman Empire. Answer D. Roman Empire. Question 12. Which among the following was not affected by the invasion of the Persians on India? A. Script in the northwest, B. Coinage, C. Court ceremonies, D. Sculpture. Answer D. Sculpture. Question 13. Which one of the following was not a characteristic of society in Mauryan times? A. Slavery, B. Rigidity of caste, C. Prostitution, D. Widow remarriage. Answer D. Widow remarriage. Question 14. The ancient Chola kingdom existed in the delta of the river A. Tungabhadra, B. Kaveri, C. Krishna, D. Godavari. Answer B. Kaveri. Question 15. Which of the following statements about Arthasastra is not true? A. It prescribes the duty of a king. B. It describes the then economic life of the country. C. It lays down the principles of politics. D. It highlights the need for financial reforms. Answer D. It highlights the need for financial reforms. Question 16. What is said to be the original home of the Sungas? A. Kalinga, B. Vidisa, C. Beirar, D. Bhadu. Answer B. Vidisa. Question 17. Milandapanho is A. History of a dynasty, B. Prakrit drama, C. Sanskrit play, D. Religious conversation. Answer D. Religious conversation. Question 18. The first Persian ruler who occupied part of Indian territory was A. Cyrus, B. Cambyses, C. Darius, D. Xerxes. Answer A. Cyrus. Question 19. Alexander the Great was obliged to go back because A. He fell ill, B. He suffered defeat in India, C. His forces refused to go further, D. He did not like India. Answer C. His forces refused to go further. Question 20. The one most important feature of the Mauryan administration was a. Wide powers enjoyed by the provincial governors. B. The presence of a council of ministers. C. The presence of vast, numerous powers of the bureaucracy. D. An extensive network of spy system. Answer. C. The presence of vast, numerous powers of the bureaucracy.